Hello, ladies and gents. All right, so I did get a couple questions on today's lesson, so I want to go through these a little further. Now, remember inscribed angles. So it's not a central angle that comes from the center of the circle. An inscribed angle has the vertex on the outside of the circle. So like number one here, nope, sorry. Your vertex Z is not on the circle itself, so that's not an inscribed. That's actually just an angle. There's no name for that one. So number two, yes, this is inscribed because A is on the circle. And now once it is, name the angle and intercepted arc. So the angle here would be BAC or CAB. It could go either way as long as that vertex is in the middle. Right, so it looks like this one here, BAC, BAC. Oh, look, all BAC. But the arcs are all different. So the arc that this uses is this arc, B over to C. So you can't just say BC, that assumes the shortest distance. That'd be this arc. Nope, we want the other side. So we need this third letter to force that direction. So arc BLC is the intercepted arc. So that's why it's angle BAC and arc BLC. All right, so let me just explain a little further some of these other ones. Now remember, the intercepted arc, right, is going to be double the inscribed angle, or the inscribed angle is 1/2 of the intercepted arc. So number 6 is a nice perfect one here. So that angle is 1/2 of 112. So take 112, divide it by 2, you get your answer. And don't be fooled if there's extra lines or triangles. You still have an inscribed angle, which uses this 140-degree arc, so that angle is half the arc. All right, I'll explain, I think, one more here. So use that forwards, backwards. Don't let extra things throw you off, but look at one like this. All right, so there's an inscribed angle in here, 103. But we want to find JKL, the other side. So one of the theorems says these opposite angles have to give you 180 when you add them. So if you subtract from 180, you're going to get your answer, but unfortunately, this is a bad problem. Your answer is not here. Right? It should be 78, not 178. But you can also think about it this way. The inscribed angle, the arc that's inside, this would be 206. If you take it away from 360, you get the other side. Right? 360 minus 206 would give you 158. Right? And then when you divide by 2, you get the other angle, which would be 78. So I don't know why they have this here. So just be careful. You can have these all intertwined. You can have extra lines. Remember, this is a diameter. You can have those. So you have an inscribed using a diameter. But really, the inscribed angle is going to be half the arc. Right? Hopefully this clarifies things. And let me just see one more here. Don't forget a problem like 16. So you know, if this is 34, you know what this arc is. So 150 plus this arc plus, 360. Use all these ideas together and you should be fine on these. All right, thanks guys. Bye.